This is a video from DigiD. This video explains how to activate the DigiD app via an SMS code. Download the DigiD app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. The app must be activated first. You will need the following: a DigiD account to which you have added a phone number and a smartphone or tablet with the DigiD app on it. Open the app and tap Next. Enter your DigiD username and password. Tap Login. You will receive an SMS with a 6-digit code. Enter this code in the DigiD app and then tap Next. Tap Next again to choose a PIN code. Pick a PIN code and enter this code. From now, you will log in with this, so remember it well. Repeat the PIN code. Tap Next. Leave the orange switch on if you want to receive messages about changes to your DigiD. Tap Next. Enter your email address if you haven't already done so. And tap Next. Then enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. Tap Next. And then tap OK. Now your DigiD app is activated. You can use it right away. Are you not able to activate the DigiD app with an SMS code, or did it fail? Then you can activate the app via a letter. Therefore, watch the video Activate DigiD app via a letter. Want to know more? Then go to digid.nl/en. DigiD is a product of the Government of the Netherlands.